Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rashmi Shah, Fitness and Nutrition Specialist. Welcome to this beautiful program of losing 5 kgs in just 1 month without using any pills or powders or supplements. Before we move ahead, make sure you have watched our video about the rules and regulations and how to follow this program. If you have missed it, no worries. The link is given in the description box and make sure you watch it before you start. So without any delay, let's get started. As you wake up in the morning, drink 2 to 3 glasses of water. After that, the time is for detox drink. To make your detox drink, soak overnight half teaspoon jeera, half teaspoon soft, 1/4 teaspoon ajwain, 2 pinch cinnamon powder and 2 pinch turmeric. You can drink it warm, or if you are staying in a cold weather, you can drink it hot too. This detox drink will help you to cleanse your systems, detoxify your body, and it will help your body to reset your metabolism so that you can lose weight and fats faster. Post 20 to 30 minutes of taking detox drink, you will be doing your workout. Now what workout to do, how to do, and why you have to do it in the morning, I am posting my separate video about it. Now let's move ahead to our post-workout meal, and that is breakfast. In breakfast, you will take 1/4 cup of raw oats. You can use instant oats or whole rolled oats, but see to it that oats should be plain and unflavored. Please do not use any quick cooking or masala oats. With this oats, you will be taking 1 cup of plain milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, that's totally optional, 5 to 6 almonds. If you have any protein powder at home, you can use 20 to 30 grams of protein powder serving, or you can either take 2 to 3 eggs or a small katori of sprouts. Along with this, you will be taking 1 banana or 1 mango, approximately 150 to 200 grams. Now you can blend this all together and make a smoothie, layer it in a smoothie bowl, or you can convert it into overnight oats and you can have it in the morning as shown in the picture. After breakfast, it's time for your midmeal, that's around 11 am. You can take a cup of tea or coffee without sugar with handful of peanuts or roasted chane. It's time for lunch. In lunch, we'll be taking any one type of carbohydrate. Means you will be taking 2 fulka roti or 1 jowar bhakri or 1 bowl of cooked rice. You can also take 1 bowl of cooked quinoa. With this, you will be taking 1 small bowl of sabzi and 1 big bowl of salad. Also include 1 small bowl of dal or sprouts in your lunch. After 20 minutes of lunch, you will be taking 1 cup of green tea. At 3 pm, that is around 2 hours after lunch, you will be taking 1 glass of buttermilk. If you don't like buttermilk, you can also take 1 glass of coconut water, or you can also take 1 cup of green tea. At 5 pm, you will be taking 1 bowl of watermelon or muskmelon. If you like to take tea or coffee in the evening, you can have 1 cup of tea or coffee without sugar at this time. Now it's time to go for a walk. You will be going for 3 to 5 kilometers of walk post your 5 pm meal. Now how to go for a walk or why to go for a walk, all this will come in our exercise video. It's time for dinner now. You will be taking your dinner around 7 to 7:30 pm. Don't take your dinners late, that is after 8 pm. It might hamper your digestion system and you will feel more acidic, and acidic body never loses weight. So 7 to 7:30 pm is time for your dinner. In dinner time, choose any one option given in the list. Now, you have to take minimum 50 grams of any one protein in your dinner. So the options for proteins are paneer or chicken or fish.
Protein in dinner will help you to strengthen your muscles, reset your metabolism, and it will also help you to lose weight and your tummy bulge faster. So see to it that you are keeping any one option of protein in your dinner. You can eat it grilled or roasted or cooked, and you can also little bit spice your protein. Now there are few important things I would like to tell you when you are following this diet plan. Avoid completely having bakery products, maida, all types of desserts, sweets, mithai, fried food, potatoes and corn. All these foods will help you to gain weight and not to lose weight. Now, drink minimum 4 to 5 liters of water with this plan. Hydrating your body, it will make you more alkaline and weight loss will become easier and faster. Having good and sound sleep is one of the important factor in achieving your weight loss goal. So sleep for minimum 7 hours, sleep 1 hour early and wake up 1 hour early so that you will feel more energetic, focused, and it will help you to have better choices of food. This was our whole diet plan for losing 5 kgs in a month. Follow this plan for 15 days and please send us your updated trackers and pictures so that we can see how you have progressed up till now. Because consistency, dedication and discipline is the key. The more consistent, disciplined and dedicated you are towards following this program, the best results you will get. Thank you for watching, and before going ahead to our next video about exercise and workouts, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.